Here's the famous 9 hours sleeping pods at the airport in Japan. Here are some rules to go over. They do enforce them. I made my booking through bookings.com, but they do have their own website. They issue a key to a locker, very spacious. They give you a mesh bag with pajamas, 2 towels, slippers, toothpaste, toothbrush. Here are the famous toilets, the bidets, private bathroom, everything's clean. You have the motion censored for flushing, you have a butt spray option, you have the bidet option, you have temperature, you have sound, so you can have birds chirping or waterfalls while you're doing your business. Here are your private showers with lock. They have shampoo, body wash, conditioner. It was just perfect. Water pressure great, temperature great. Here's your toothpaste and toothbrush. They're the sinks. Here's a full view of my pajamas. You can put comments below on what you think what it looks like. And here's me maxed out, jet lagged. I think I was trying to get into the picture frame to make sure you were able to see the full look and maybe score a little bit of Bigfoot. Now, I think it started at 90 or I don't know. There were so many of these pods. There's upper and lower. The upper, you can do these little steps and the handrails to get to. I was on the lower. And they're great. If you're claustrophobic, you might be challenged. But if you're used to sleeping in a tent or bunk beds or tight spaces like this, it's great. I felt like I was, I guess it'd be like a baby in a mother's womb or a cocoon. There's a comforter. The bed was great. The pillows were great. No complaints whatsoever yet so far. Japan just top notch. Close the curtain. Check out your what you got. I think there are USB and plugins, air temperature, fire alarm, what have you. When you arrive late into Japan, a lot of the transportation shuts down or is not as frequent, especially like the trains. And so it can be quite a lot of effort to get to downtown Tokyo where your hotel might be. So I found this to be the best. To just book a room, take a shower, get some good sleep, call it a day, and then be fresh and ready to go. I woke up and 7-Eleven was just down the hallway there. You can see that this 7-Eleven clearly is substantially different than the one back in the US. So many options. Let's see, energy drinks, yogurts, coffees, snacks, soups, veggies, sandwiches, salads, fresh food, bagged food, processed food. I mean, it's all here. Such a different experience than back home at the airports. I'll let you just join me as I video and show you this. Feel free to pause and check out each section here. I think there were soups, chocolates. Now here's the fresh coffee maker, the large. I'll have a picture of a large later to show you the difference of what a large cup in Japan is versus back home. Now these vending machines are all over Japan. I mean, they are the rage, and they've been that way for quite a while. These are keepsakes or souvenirs or things that you can buy. You have kiddies or friends, as you can see, they're for all ages, and they vary in themes. Some familiar, some local, cultural movies or shows or whatever, what have you. And you can, put money in there and take some home. Or, when you're about to leave Japan, you can come down here and grab some of these and head home. And what a unique gift. But these are all over the place, all over Japan. So they'll be everywhere you go. However, I found this to be, other than some of the arcade shops, the highest concentration of these capsule toys. So I'm going to go quiet. Feel free to pause if you see something or you want to take it in slower. I'm just trying to cover all of this. I don't think I knew or anticipated that I'd be doing this video in the future for many eyes to see. So I think I'm just trying to grab as much as I can. Corn dogs. I mean, can you imagine if you walked past this with you had 5 kids in tow? Or just me. I mean, there were many adult, character themes. Here's Disney that I definitely could have bought a lot of them. There were many that took me back to old school days, and then others I had no idea what they were, and others that I could think of people back home that would really enjoy it. So you could easily fill stockings. So here's the coffee. Here's a large, by the way. So you can see my hand next to it. That's a large, right? I'll give you another perspective. So I think I had 2 or 3 of these, and they were very good, very good. So yes, a full hand of coffee. Just, again, showing you the size difference. Cups of ice, milk, sugar. I think I ended up getting yogurt and a couple sushi wraps with salmon and coffee. Very affordable. More vending machines. And there are ones that are cold and the ones that are hot. So they actually have like a warm bottle of coffee or warm tea. And unlike in America, the Monster cans are probably what a normal human being should be consuming, if you want to consume those at all. There's always a safety monitor at the trains. You can see these ropes. They keep you from boarding too early, and then they rise, and then you go onto the train and come off. So here's my first daylight of Japan. I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be more to come, and I'm looking forward to showing you around. So there, Narita Airport.